Hey, Dr. Sampson Davis. I'm back with my health and survival plan for you. I wanted to take a few minutes to come and speak to you. I just took care of a patient, a young guy, 22 years old, who was seasoned. He doesn't have a history of seizures. He was brought in by ambulance, whole body shaking, and I had to give him some medications to stop the seizures. So no trauma, no previous history to cause the seizure. His cause, what I came to find out, was something called lean, or better known as promethazine with codeine. And I know you've seen it out there. A lot of young people out there double cupping. It's really popular in the hip hop culture and rap music. And it's something that came from the South. Just like Kentucky is suburban, Cali is to weed, Houston is to lean or promethazine with codeine. And it goes along with the rap culture. A rapper called DJ Screw years ago made it really popular. But lean goes back to last century in the 70s and 80s, but it grew popularity with a lot of the chop and screw type of music, the slow drag hip hop. You take some lean, the promethazine makes you a little sleepy. The codeine, which is the opiate, which is one of the drugs, makes you feel really high. So you're just kind of chilling, you lay back, relaxing, grooving to the beat. So I know many of you follow the hip hop culture. You heard of Lil Wayne, you heard of Rick Ross, you heard about these guys having seizures on the plane. And a lot of that's because they use the double cup. They use the promethazine with codeine, aka lean, aka scissor or syrup. You heard some rappers refer to it as such, and it's a movement. It's only popular now because we see it in our music. It's similar to all the drugs you see: cocaine, heroin, methamphetamines, rave parties as well. You see it. You see crystal meth, but you don't hear too much about this in particular because it's not affecting the mainstream population. It's just a subculture with the hip hop music. So I know when I'm out and I see people double fisting or double cupping rather, we know that they are sipping on some scissor. So you got to be careful. The promethazine, it's a cough syrup, and the promethazine can cause seizures. Usually the cocktail is made with the cough syrup. You can add Mountain Dew to it. Some people add alcohol to it. Some people really go hard with the lean. They have their promethazine and codeine, and they smoke a blunt or some weed with it as well, the joint, to get high. So when you listen to the chop and screw music, which is kind of slow, sipping on some scissor, like you kind of just mellow with it. You just flowing with it. So do know that most people, I think, outgrow it. They don't use it for a lengthy period of time. It is a recreational street drug, but it causes a lot of problems. So make sure you do the right thing. Obviously, if you're gonna party with some restrictions, and of course, it goes without saying that from a health point of view, it's something that you just want to be careful with because it can cause you to have seizures, which can cause and lead to death. Like similar to DJ Screw, he lost his life in his 20s. He overdosed on promethazine with codeine, and took his life. And another famous rapper who was down with Jay-Z, they did a song together. He lost his life as well, and they found promethazine with codeine in his bloodstream. So this young guy that I'm taking care of today, he'll be okay. He's gonna make it. But I hope he doesn't go back out there and use again, because it's crazy, man. You gotta have fun. I love the music too. I love the bop out, but you gotta be careful with these drugs out there. Best bet, never start, of course. So.